Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be reviewing and installing a NB North Bayou gas strut flex mount monitor arm. I'm replacing my stock BenQ monitor stand because it just takes up too much floor space on my desk and I want to clean up the area a little bit. Now, installation's pretty straightforward. It comes with two brackets, one to mount it to the back of the table with like a pinch bracket, and this one is capable of mounting it through a hole in the table. So here I am failing to drill through my desk properly, but it's okay because the mount covers the spot. I used a 3/8 bit and it fit perfect with the screw. You have plenty of depth to go through a table. This is like a 3.5 inch screw. And cinching it up with the butterfly screw is straightforward and simple. Now this is a good comparison of the desk space that I'm freeing up. Freeing up desk space wasn't my only issue. I wanted to be able to raise the monitor higher so it could be more at eye level, and the stock BenQ stand only went up so much. Now all these cables are going to get rerouted through the monitor arm, and everything fit right in there without too much hassle. Now that really cleaned up my desk even more, and I'm really happy with this arm, with the way it moves, how steady it is, and the height that it gives me. The only thing that could bother some people is that it's not going to sit center with the monitor because of the design, and you got to be careful with back spacing with your table. If you're right up against the wall, you're going to be limited a little bit in your movement, but this works out fine for me, and I'm glad I got it. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and if you want to look at this monitor arm, I have a link in the description. And thanks for watching.